You're watching the streaming broadcast of Merit in the Rolex Sydney Hobart Yacht Race 2009, and it's time for the highlights and insights.
Brought to you by Launch Me In.
Welcome back, folks. This is Muzzer. Just continuing explanations of what's going on the foredeck on Merit. Some guys up there just finished a head sail peel. It's changing the sail at the front of the boat, and they've got looks like the old number one down, and they're in the process of packing it away. All on the foredeck there, dragging it to the windward side so they can eventually fold it up and pack it away down below. Just while this is going on, you can see Leo's driving the boat through the waves there, and just a little bit more about what's going on there to get the boat going efficiently upwind there. Leo has to keep the boat's sail plan going straight through the air in order to maintain a balance with the wind pressure. As the sailing rig sails through the air, it builds up kind of a sine, almost like a sine wave pattern in the air, and that's where the boat gets its power from. As the waves are coming along to hit the boat, they're trying to throw the boat off balance out of that pattern, if you like. So Leo has to use the steering wheel to just change the momentum of the boat to try and balance out that impact of the waves. Another thing that Leo's doing is when we get some big waves coming along. And what's going on here? He's just gone sailed high there for a little bit. And I think he's just levelling out the boat, maybe to help them on the foredeck a little bit, or maybe he's just seen an extra big wave and he's changing direction there. It's quite usual to pull a boat away from the wind. That's turn the boat to the left when there's a set of really big waves coming. What that does is power the boat up a little bit more and keeps some momentum going, and avoids the current of the boat slamming over the top of the wave into the next wave. Just makes it a bit easier on the boat, and keeps the boat's speed up a little bit more than if it just impacted into the wave. Leo's definitely sailing a little bit high in what we call the groove at the moment. The groove is where the optimum angle is to get the right amount of power. And he seems to be sailing just a little bit higher, maybe it's to help the guys on the foredeck just get that sail away a little bit quicker so they can get back on track again. Looks like they've got that, started to drag that sail back. Well, that's it for the moment, folks, and we'll join you again shortly.
You've been watching the highlights and insights of Merit in the Rolex Sydney Hobart Yacht Race 2009 on the streaming broadcast powered by Streaming Video Systems.
Brought to you by Launch Me In.